Hey guys, just a quick video to show you a cheap, easy, and quick pea trellis, or trellis for anything, but I'm using it on my peas. Coming up. So there's only 3 materials that you need. You need 2 T-posts, 1 cattle panel, mine happens to be 8 feet by 50 inches, and some zip ties. Let's get started. So my peas are planted along the back of this raised bed. I've already got the 2 T-posts in place, and I've got my cattle panel right here. So, just gonna very carefully try to get it between the T-posts and the peas without ripping any peas out. Just about like that. Got maybe 3 zip ties. Make sure this is level. It really was that easy. Post in the ground, put the cattle panel against them, and zip tie it to it. The hardest part of this whole experience was actually getting the cattle panel tied to the top of our car and home on the freeway. A little bit of a nightmare situation, but we got through it, we got it home, and I will probably have to go back and make another trip and get more, much to my wife's dismay, but that's okay. It's in time, which is a first for me, getting this in time so I don't have to kind of retrain the peas after they've already been sprawled on the ground. They're gonna get off to a good start. We're gonna have a good pea season with a good harvest. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.